What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're checking out a concert on a boat by the riverside. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find without sea. Meet people, eat food, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on the trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
You can see people exercising here. So this is the riverside area, and it all gets lit up at nighttime. The boats are right over here.
Tom Trips Out! Smack the unicorn! Woo!
Just getting set up. There's still about another hour till we launch. So for now we'll have some warm-up drinks, and then I'll bring you guys back with me when the party gets started. There's like 200 free beers over here too. We're just launching off. It's gonna cruise around the riverside here for about 2 hours.
Let's go! Keep it going. It's because it was a Gonsberg instead of a Cambodia. That's why. It's not his fault. She was a fishmonger, and sure was no wonder, for so were her father and mother before. They each wheeled their barrow through streets broad and narrow, dry cockles and mussels, alive, 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 dry cockles and mussels, alive, alive, one more time, alive, 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 dry cockles and mussels, alive, alive.
So we're coming up on this point where you can see the bridge, and it's got like a big Cambodia flag on it. Check this out.
The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale and throw. Soon there had a good call to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tongue in his book, they'll take or leave and go.
All right. So one of the guys that's here that's friends with the band is going to do an MC set for a couple of songs. Check this out.
Easy boy, under these covers. We just reside in the rapping when you watch the TV dish come and see. CBCG, Cheesy Boys Crew Gang. You know who we be. Rocking the mic with freestyles non-stop. Now we like to keep it hot on top. Lock your ear. Kinda like that guy called the Rock. He likes to do push-ups and sometimes on his cock. But you know with three guys ready to rock the double. Pull up your gas and run up the bass and the trouble. Jump,
Thank you, Barbara, for that recommendation.
Well, that's going to do for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. And until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
My name's Tom.